guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. For today's video, I have a back to school skincare routine, or just my skincare routine in general, how to get clear skin for back to school. I'm just sharing my skincare routine with you and how I keep my skin clear and what you could be doing for your back to school skincare routine, because obviously school is stressful and stress can lead to breakouts, and that's what we don't want. I do just want to put a disclaimer that this works for me, and that doesn't necessarily mean it'll work for you, but I can just give you some tips that have worked out for me. And I'm not gonna sit here and be like, drink water, do this, do that, because some people just have acne genetically, and so you can try all these products, but sometimes you just have to go to your doctor and be like, hey, I cannot get rid of my acne, and usually they'll put you on some type of medication for your acne. So if you have been dealing with acne for a long time, or it's really bad and you feel like nothing's working, I would suggest just going to a doctor and kind of checking out and seeing what they can do for you, or dermatologist, whatever you want to call it. But if you just have the occasional breakout or like hormonal breakouts like I have, then I feel like these products or these tips will definitely work out for you. So yeah, if you want to know what I do to keep my skin clear and what you could be doing for back to school, then just keep on watching. The one thing I would say that has helped keep my skin clear for a really long time is a facial brush. This one is by Vanity Planet, and this video is not sponsored. They sponsored me a while ago and still have this brush from them, but this definitely such a lifesaver. If you have really bad bumps on your skin and just like occasional breakouts, using this with your cleanser is gonna make such a huge difference than just using your hands. I can never wash my face with just my hands anymore. Like, that will not clean my skin. Like, I need a facial brush. In the morning, I like to go in with my Clinique Liquid Facial Soap, and this one is for oily skin. And I actually recently purchased this. I really like it. I used to use these simple I think it's like moisturizing facial wash or something. That one is still really good. I definitely recommend it if you want something more affordable, but I just kind of wanted to try out something different. I really like how this smells. It's like, I don't know, it smells really nice, but with like this minty touch to it. Like when it's on your face, like it feels really fresh. Yeah, I really like this. So this is what I use to cleanse my skin in the morning. After cleansing, I like to go in with a toner, and this is a hydrating toner from Bobbi Brown. Obviously Bobbi Brown is a high-end product, so I'm gonna see if I can leave any inexpensive options down below. I don't really know. I haven't tried that many toners, but I really like this one. If you want to purchase this, it's available on Bobbibrown.nl or at the Bijenkorf if you're Dutch. So yeah, since this is hydrating, I really like using it in the morning because I feel like I'm trying to keep my face matte, or at least keep my oils at bay all day long, but I also don't want to dry out my skin. So I feel like prepping it with a hydrating toner and then going on top of that, you know, when I'm like doing a full face of makeup, like I'm using all these powders and really like trying to lock in the oils, but I still want to make sure that my skin is hydrated. So even though I have oily skin, I like using hydrating products because I feel like my skin gets more oily when it's dehydrated. Does that make any sense? Then I go in with eye cream. I've been using eye cream for the past couple of years, and if there's one thing I can recommend, it's using eye cream. I know a lot of people that don't use eye cream because they're like, I'm still young, like I don't need it, but honestly, hydrated under eyes are going to save your life, especially, you know, in school when you're not getting a whole lot of sleep. You just want to take care of your under eyes because they're gonna get really bad, okay? So I just used this one from the Kruidvat, which is a Dutch drugstore. I'm gonna see if I can leave something similar down below that you can purchase if you're not Dutch. This is just a vitamin E eye cream. I've been using this for a couple of years, honestly, probably like 2 years. I just keep repurchasing this because it's really inexpensive and it works really well and keeps my under eyes hydrated. Also, if you're wondering, I am wearing makeup. I'm going to be posting a video on this makeup look this week, but I'm wearing makeup, but it's very light. I'm not wearing like any foundation or anything, just so you know. I've recently started using SPF on my face. I used to never wear SPF, but I got sent this by Bobbi Brown, and so I was like, let me just try it out and see if I like it. I haven't had any problems with it. It hasn't broke me out or anything. So this is the Protective Face Lotion SPF 15 from Bobbi Brown. This has vitamin E and chamomile. I really love vitamin E if you haven't noticed yet. And again, obviously this is expensive. I don't really know any other SPF brands for your face because I never wear it. So if you have any inexpensive recommendations, definitely leave it in the comments down below for anyone else if they're looking for one. But this is the SPF I use on my face. I only use it in the morning. Yeah, I put on SPF. This is optional, but I do recommend it because it is better for your skin, but I used to never wear it, so then to moisturize, I have recently picked up the Origins Ginzing Ultra Hydrating Energy Boosting Cream. As I said, I have oily skin, but I like to use hydrating products. Origins also has a oily skin line, which I kind of want to purchase to see how I like that. Oh my god, it smells like oranges. It smells so good. Again, this is a little bit more expensive. I used to wear the Simple Light Moisturizer. I really like that one as well. So if you're looking for something more on a budget, I would recommend that one. But this is what I've been using, and this has just been so great. I really like it. It's very moisturizing, leaves my skin so soft, and I definitely am going to try out the matte moisturizer from them as well. But I decided to not get that one because it was mattifying, and I prefer just having like a glowy face, especially when I'm not wearing makeup. So, and then to finish out my morning skincare routine, I use the Badescu Rose Water Spray. Everyone has this, very affordable, really recommend it. It's really nice and refreshing on your face to kind of lock everything in. If I were to get ready for school in the morning, I would get through this so quickly. Just cleanse, moisturize, all of that, put a little spray, some lip balm, you're done, and you can do your makeup, or you can not wear any makeup. This makes your skin look so good without makeup. Like, that's why I love it so much, because personally for me, I don't wear makeup every day. I know that if I had school right now, I would probably not put makeup on. So now we're gonna head over to my nighttime skincare. I'm basically just gonna go through this as if I'm wearing makeup for the day. If I'm not wearing makeup, obviously I'll skip that one part. But if I'm wearing makeup, I usually start out with taking off my eyebrows and any eye makeup and mascara with my simple micellar water. It's really inexpensive and works wonders. I just use it on a cotton pad. It takes off my eye makeup like that. That was not a good snap. Like that. Then I follow up by using these simple cleansing wipes. They work really well to take off any makeup. And then I go in with my cleanser again, same thing as in the morning, my Clinique Cleanser with my facial brush. This isn't necessarily what I do every day, but every now and then I like to go in with some extra products to just help keep my skin clear. And this, I wouldn't really do this in the morning if I had school because there's just no time. Every now and then I go in with my Bioré charcoal scrub. This is for like pimples and stuff. It's skin purifying. It also has salicylic acid, which is really good for acne. So every now and then I like to go in with this just to do some extra scrubbing after I cleanse my face and taken off my makeup. And then I like to follow up with a face mask. So these have been my like top favorite face masks for the past couple of weeks. I really like my Bobbi Brown Instant Detox Hawaiian Seawater and White Clay Mask, but this is very expensive. So I do think it's 100% worth the money. I really like how this makes my skin look and feel, but I totally get if you can't afford it. I also love using this Detox green clay mask. I feel like any green clay mask will do. This one is so good. I used to use it all the time, then I ran out and I didn't repurchase it, but I recently got it again. It's a very strong clay mask. Oh, actually you can also use the Aztec clay mask. I forgot to bring it. But that's the one you mix with water. It's kind of similar to this, but I feel like this one's even more stronger. That one makes your face like super tight, so it does work really well, but I prefer this one because it's easier, like you don't have to mix anything. This burns my skin, but it works wonders. Like the next morning, all of my pimples have dried out and they're like going away. Like within 2 days, all my pimples are gone. So I love using this at nighttime. So after I've scrubbed and put on a face mask, I like to again go in and tone my face. But at night, I actually use some witch hazel. This is the rose petal witch hazel, which if you're Dutch, a lot of people ask me this, where did I get it? I got it when I was in LA. I don't think this is sold anywhere in Holland, but I do know it's on eBay. So if you really want to purchase it, check out eBay. But I put it in a spray bottle and I just spray it on my face because it's easier. So then again, I go in with an eye cream. It's the same eye cream as in the morning, and then I like to follow up with an oil. So at night, I really love using oil, even though my skin is oily. So I have a little oil mixture in here. This is, half of this was vitamin E oil and then half of it was jojoba oil, and this has been working great for me at night. I just put one pump in my hand, put it on my face. I look super greasy, but like I wake up with such soft skin. If you aren't using an oil at night, I would totally recommend doing it. Really just kind of look up what works best for your skin type. Like if you have dry skin, maybe use a different kind of oil. But for oily skin, I would recommend jojoba oil and vitamin E oil. Mix it in a little bottle, put it on at night, and you're set. If I'm breaking out, I love using the Badescu drying lotion. Everyone knows this. If you have a pimple, just put it on. It works really well. And yeah, that's honestly the only pimple cream I've ever tried. I kind of need to get a new one because I feel like it got mixed up a little bit and I'm also running out. So that is it. That is pretty much my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Or if there are any skincare products that you really like and you would recommend to other people, also leave it down below. I will leave all the products that I mentioned down below, and I'm gonna see if I can find some dupes or like similar products as well for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to see any more back to school videos, I will leave my playlist down below because I'll be uploading back to school videos all week, every day. Yes. Also, if you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I will have my social media links down below. Make sure to hit me up and talk to me because I love talking to you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.